Hey everyone, my name is Alex here at Fusion Motorsports USA, and in this video we'll be walking you through how to remove and replace your Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y dashboard. So for the first step of removing the side pieces, you're going to want to insert the pry tool into the crevice like so, and slowly twist so that you have an easy access point to remove it from the dashboard. And it's going to be the same exact process on the other side of your Tesla. You'll notice that they're going to be held in by 2 grooves on the top and 1 on the bottom. For the specific install, the Tesla Model 3 we're currently using is a Gen 2. All 2021 to 2023 Teslas for the Model 3 and Model Y will be a Gen 2. And the way that you're able to really understand whether your car is a Gen 1 or a Gen 2 is to look at the side of the end cap. The end cap will either be attached or removable. If it's removable, you have a Gen 1. If it's attached, then you have a Gen 2. So before removing the dashboard itself, you do want to make sure you place a towel over your screen to protect any damage on the backside. You're going to want to place one hand underneath the silver trim, like so, and then the other hand on the side of the core right here so that you're able to lift it up while removing it. You want to pull upwards so that you're able to detach the clips that it's currently sitting under. For removing the right side of the Tesla, you're going to do the same exact thing. Once the dashboard is disengaged, you're going to slowly remove it and be gentle to not hit the screen. Pull off the dashboard so that you're able to insert the new one. So once you're ready to install your brand new dashboard, you want to slowly bring it over the screen to make sure that there's no damage and properly align it so that these slits on the bottom of your dashboard are sitting properly in the grooves. You'll know you're ready to have your Tesla dashboard pat down when you look across and see that it's sitting flush from the left to the right side. And gently just pat it down. And the last step would be to, of course, reinsert these triangular pieces back in. Thank you so much for watching our install video for the dashboard replacement. If you'd like to have more information and learn about our product, please visit our website at www.fusionmotorsusa.com. Until next time.